Hello there, it's Johnny from Guenther Metal Roofing, and today I'm just going to show you our roofing system. The typical R panel, our company calls it tough rib metal from Wiseline Metal Sales in Tillsonburg, Ontario. Anyway, I'm going to show you how a roof works, and ventilation is of utmost importance on any roof for a couple of reasons. But let's just see if I can flip this camera around. And there we go. There's this garage roof, and there's the house roof. This is coffee brown color. So what we have here is 1x4 nailed directly onto the shingles. Now a lot of customers ask, don't you have to remove the shingle? Sure, you can, especially if it's more than 2 layers. I would recommend doing that. But if there's just one layer, the shingle is actually a very good vapor barrier. I mean, a vapor barrier is something that keeps water out of the roof, right? So if it's new construction, you definitely need a vapor barrier, because what happens is you get heat and you get condensation collecting under the roof. That's actually rain, but you get condensation, and if it drips down, your plywood's going to get wet from the drips. Mind you, it's not a whole lot, and so you need some kind of vapor barrier there. So we got 1x4. The way I typically nail the 1x4 down is I use 3-inch nails, and I angle them this way, this way, this way. That way the nails grab into the plywood really good. I know some roofers, they'll nail only into the trusses, and my reasoning is that once the sheets are all screwed down, this thing is solid. It's not going anywhere, especially if we're not in hurricane area. You have no issues with that. It's quality, fast and really good. So here at the bottom, so on a hot day like today, you have air going in here, and at the top here I got this mesh here that allows air to go out, but no snow or rain to get in there. So the heat that is accumulated under these sheets or in the attic, the heat will draw itself out of the ridge cap, which is right here. You can see the system. So it'll come right under this ridge cap and out. And as you can tell, I cut the plywood open about almost 2 inches there, and that allows any heat to come out, which is very good for the integrity of the roof, because if you're heating your house in the winter, your snow is going to melt on the roof and come sliding down. But if with proper ventilation, the heat can escape and you won't have that melting effect. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, that's what we do here at Guenther Metal Roofing. As you can tell, the overlap. Some companies have a profile that is almost round, and here you can tell these edges here. That's an anti-wicking edge. So if any water ever comes into this rib, it'll be stopped by this, and also it strengthens the roof extremely. This is only a 29 gauge, and I dare to step on almost anywhere on the roof just because it's a strong bend. That's the roof. Have a great day.